Hi everybody, Bassocantor here, and today we're taking a look at this very clever espresso machine. And I wanted to first show you some of the parts of this clever product. Right here we're looking at the very top of the machine, which shows you the lever that you're going to be pumping to produce the coffee. And here we see the little stainless steel cup that you're going to insert the coffee powder into. And there's a cap that goes underneath it, as shown here. And this is how all the parts fit together. Now let's take a look and see how the product works. As always, if you have any questions on this review, please post a note and I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks for watching, everybody.